Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen. Today I'm going to be making my carrot juice, my healthy carrot juice. I bought the carrot, I bought the organic carrot, which is more dirty. So I've washed it and I have peeled it. So I'm going to need any amount of carrot. This is what I'm doing today. And you can use lemon or you can use lime. I'm using lime, and you can use, and I'm using ginger. So up to your own taste, and yeah, I really wish I had turmeric, the root. Since I don't have, I'm going to be using the powder. And when you do carrots, you can either do the carrot taste itself, which is a little bit sweet, or you can sweeten with brown sugar for health, for the healthy part, or you can use honey if you want it. I'm just showing you your options. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to dice the carrot, dice the carrots, because I'm going to put it in the blender. This is the ginger. I'm going to chop it. Some water. As thick as you want it. I'm going to decant this. Just want to show you the process. The carrot juice, I'm going to decant everything. Just a little bit of sugar, you don't have to use this. Fresh, natural carrot juice completed. Delicious, delicious organic treat for chilling and relaxing whenever you are, especially during the summertime. Well, I've completed this carrot juice. I hope you try it, and I hope it's a simple, very simple recipe to follow. So see you next time on my next episode. Thank you for being my audience and staying through this recording. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell, and follow me on all my social medias. Thank you so much. This is Yemi from Yemizkitchen. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. Love you, love you, love you. Chef Yemi. Mwah.